You wouldn't believe how bright that light is at night. I'm going to show you how to pop this off. You can replace the switch. They're about $27 a piece on eBay. I don't want to spend that much because the button works for the door release. We just got to get this taken care of, so I'm just going to paint it. I prefer to use something plastic that's not going to damage the vinyl here, or maybe leather, I don't know. Nah, I think it's vinyl. Just get in behind there. These pop out. So it's just pushing on this tab here. If you can see that on black is kind of hard, but once you get that pushed down, this comes right out. And I'll do the same to the other side. And now we'll take it over and get this prepped for paint. Now if you choose to do so, you can just mask off this area here. I think I'm going to try to dislodge this switch by spreading this apart and getting to the tabs. That's a 14-year-old plastic, so do take a chance of cracking it, but I think I'll take the chance. It looks like it's still pliable. So let's see. Okay. Success. So take a chance on your own. Worked for me. It is a soft plastic. I'm using 1000 grit sandpaper. Might even consider wetting this if you want more of a shine type background. The point of this is you want some light to show through so you can find this at night. And so in the center here we'll have to come up with an idea of how we can make a witness hole, I guess you call it, so it's non-painted area so you do get some light out of it. Alright, here's my setup. Since we need a witness hole, I used just a flathead screw, centered it best I can eyeball it, and hopefully it doesn't move from the power of the spray. I may have to hold it. I've decided to use this trim black paint. It gives kind of a matte finish. It is for plastic, and it's doesn't require primer, so that's my choice. Yep, that's a pretty good spray. So what I'm going to attack this is straight down from the top, and hopefully that screw doesn't move. Couple light coats. Kind of attack it from the bottom up, maybe. One thing I noticed is the first coat, at least, had a lot of little tiny spider cracks in there, so this may be the wrong paint, but I'm going to pull this off so we can see how clean our witness hole is. And I also noticed that because this is a slotted screw, I did get a little bit of overspray towards the interior there. Yeah, that paint is crackling up like a, I don't call it a Harley engine paint kind of a texture, so I'm not liking that. Well, it's definitely flat black. So 3 coats of that stuff. I actually mentioned I was going to take it off and try another paint, but I tell you what, it is already on there. That first coat wouldn't even come off without more sanding. So after a 3rd coat, I decided it looks pretty good. The cracks have disappeared. Hopefully that stays that way. What I'm going to try to do is just clean up the edge here where that screw slot allows some paint to come in. There is the final repair, guys. You can tell that the opening is not as crisp and clean as the original, and I think the hole is still too big. So what I'm going to do at this point is, because it is painted and the edges have been covered in paint, I'm going to elect to order those stickers that go over the top. That'll give me the correct size hole in the middle, give me the nice crisp lines I'm looking for, and it'll be a nice detail. For now, however, this thing should not shine in my eyes at night so brightly until I get those stickers ordered. I may or may not bring you back for that. It's just a sticker, guys. I think I'll post this video and tell you all I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for coming along.